Hello, in front of me I have Honor 400, and in this video I'm going to show you how to reboot this device. Okay, so we can begin. So the process is really easy. I'm sure that all of you can handle it. To reboot this device we need to open up the power menu first. We do it by clicking two buttons at the same time. It's the power button and the volume up button, and thanks to that we will get access into the power menu. So let's click both of the buttons. If you do everything properly, something like that will appear on the screen. And here we have option to power off this device or to restart. Of course we are interested in the restart, so tap on this icon. Now tap once more. Now as you can see, the screen has been turned off, and now within a few seconds all you need to do is to wait until your phone gets turned on again automatically. Alright, and that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.